Hi all, this is Radhakrishna. In short, they call me RK. I actually started looking for learning digital marketing from way back, and I landed up into some of the institute. I learned there for 3 months, and then I did some online courses also, where you get a pop up on Insta or Facebook, and you quickly register there, and finally you get to know that there is upselling and a lot of things. But finally, what I got is Alok sir and AADME Academy. I decided that if I want to learn now or next learning, if I have to do it, I have to do it through Alok sir. Since I knew him in one of the institute earlier, so that's how I chose AADME Academy, and I was sure that the kind of knowledge Alok sir has, I would definitely learn a lot of things from through him and through the institute. So that is the reason why I chose AADME Academy. So it is not only learning digital marketing in AADME Academy. It is more than digital marketing subject. Okay, so basically what I learned technically is how to build a website and how to optimize a website. Could be using search engine optimization, and how to work on social media marketing, how to run ads on different platforms, how to do a copywriting, how to edit a video, how to do a email marketing, how to get the clients, your first clients, how to work on social media or social media platforms like could be Instagram, Facebook or LinkedIn, how to get clients through LinkedIn. Okay, all these things, there are many things which Alok sir and team, which they shared their knowledge with us, right from could be e-commerce. There is a separate session on e-commerce website development and how to bring those products live. Those were different sessions which we got. So these are technical things, okay, which we learned as a student, which we wanted to learn. These were the technical things. More than this, what I learned, or what everybody got is branding yourself. Okay, it was life lessons what we learned there. Along with marketing, digital marketing tools, you learned life lessons. You learned how to market yourself or brand yourself, and also many other personal grooming activities has been done as a part of course. How to attend an interview, or how to be prepared for the interviews. So all these things which the AADME Academy Institute along with the lecturer taught us. Okay, so along with that, there's one more treasure which AADME Academy has got, which is LMS. Okay, learning management system. It's purely a gold mine. It's purely a gold mine. You will never get in any other platforms like that. It's a hands-on, practical LMS which is there. You have live classes. Along with that, you have the material what is required for you to be a master in digital marketing area. Even today, if I have any doubts, and if I don't because I work in US timing, I don't get I don't have to wait till morning. So I just go through the LMS and see what is that I need to make corrections to do certain things. So that's the kind of material which LMS has. So thank you so much. Finally, thank you so much, Alok sir, for taking me as your student and teaching all the required digital marketing tools, and also grooming in person, and also helping in practical work related challenges which I have in digital marketing area. Thank you so much, and I also want to thank the entire staff of AADME Academy, Prit sir, Pradeep sir, Neha, Rosalind. So all these people have supported us during our training period, and I also want to thank special thanks to our batchmates who were there along with us, and we did some group activities which were more challenging and fun. Thank you so much for being together. Alok sir, once again, thank you so much, and I wish to be in your inner circle very soon. Thanks a lot. So this thanks is very less. How much ever I say, it's very less, because that much of knowledge I've gained, and that much of happiness I have. And I wish you all the best, and for you as well as your entire academy, all the best, and have a great success. Thank you so much, sir.